Hello, welcome to another video provided by AlphaGenesis 6436. In today's video, we'll be going through the steps to setting up your 3D printer. We will also be using different filaments and showing you guys the products that we recommend. I hope you enjoy this video. AlphaGenesis 6436 recommends WYZworks filaments. We enjoy these filaments because they are good quality and come in a large variety of colors. Not only do they have different colors, but they also provide a lot of different filament materials. So for example, over here, we have dark gold ABS, translucent blue TPU, and finally we have soft PLA white. These filaments have different uses and require different printer settings that we'll go through today. So WYZworks is our to-go filament because it lays down nice, stays dry, and the filament size is very consistent and accurate. We're able to print very complex structures with these filaments without encountering any problems. So in some cases, when we use different brands of filaments, they would be too brittle and break or jam up in the printer. However, WYZworks does not have the same issues. This is why we use their filaments, as they are very reliable, affordable, and easy to use. We would easily recommend this filament to anyone, from beginners to experts. To set up your printer, you have to first know your filament. You can see that we chose WYZworks, and our material is PLA soft. At the back, you can see that the print temperature that they recommend is 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. We'll be putting our filament onto the spool holder. Now to prepare our printer, we'll go into prepare and preheat the printer. Because it says that 200 degrees Celsius is the recommended temperature and that our printer is at 220, we'll decrease the temperature until we reach 200. And now we can upload our file through either an SD card or through a Raspberry Pi. For the Raspberry Pi, I'll go in depth on that in a different video. Now you can see that our temperature is almost finished preheating. Printer finished preheating. So now we'll feed the filament into our printer. If you go over here, you can see that there's the load, unload, and the option to choose how much filament you want to feed into your printer. We'll start by selecting load. Keep in mind that you have to preheat your printer before you can load the filament. Now we'll be feeding our filament into the printer. To do this, you have to push the filament through this hole so that it catches onto the gear, and while we're doing that, we have to press this lever. When the filament catches on, the filament will automatically go through this pipe and out of the nozzle. When you see part of the filament through the nozzle, that's when you know that the filament is ready and you can start printing. You can see that our printer is ready to print. So now we'll go into our files. We'll select print and choose the file that we want. Press print and it will start printing. Make sure to clean up the nozzle, but don't touch the nozzle because it is very hot and you might hurt yourself. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. A special thanks to WYZworks for sponsoring this video. We'll put their link in the description below. Please check them out. And see you next time.